Hello, it's Will D here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create your own video using screencast-o-matic. Now, screencast-o-matic is a free video recording software that allows you to record for 15 minutes. That's 15 minutes for free, so to speak. And the paid version is just $15 a year. That's the cost for the paid version, so it's a very good deal, I think. And that paid version will remove the watermark that sits at the bottom of your screen on the free version. But the free version is cool. Now, I'm using the free version here because I've talked about using free software to create your product, so I might as well use a free software to create the product, just like I did in OpenOffice. I hope you've downloaded OpenOffice. It's a good piece of software, and it's what I'm going to be using in this particular video because we're going to prepare slides, that's PowerPoint slides, and then convert them to video. I'll show you exactly how I'm going to do that. Now, what I'm going to do first of all is copy this, because I'm going to use it in a moment. So we'll copy this, and then I'm just going to go to the PowerPoint. Now I've got my OpenOffice PowerPoint software here, so this is what it looks like. If you download it, you get the same thing. Simply hit this is the OpenOffice Impress, by the way. So this is the Impress, which is the PowerPoint presentation side of things. Click next again, forget about what's sitting there, and just hit create, and this is what you get something similar to this. Now, what I do at this point is I choose one of the layouts. My favorite one is the center text, so click center text, and then if I just click here, I can add content, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to click in there, and I'm going to add content. Remember what I just copied from the title page. So here we go. So we'll put that in there. We can make it look nicer. We can make it red. Let's change the color to red. So there we go. Change color to red, and that's what appears there. Now, if you want to get a fresh slide page, go here and just hit slide, and it will create a new slide page. You can create as many as necessary. Okay, so that's done. Now, considering that we're creating the slides first, and that's what you're seeing now, I am going to write an outline so that you can see how I'm actually creating this product. So I'm going to create an outline, so I can simply write here outline, because that's what I'm doing. Sorry, let's get the spelling right. Outline. So that's the outline, and our outline will consist of introduction. It's always good to introduce the subject. Introduction. I could ask the question, why video? Why do we really want to do video? We've already done ebook, isn't that enough? What about the tools for the video creation? And we're looking at one, or that is the PowerPoint side of things using OpenOffice. We can also look at preparation of slides, which is what we're doing. And then we can say about creating the video. I think that's more than enough. We can just write at the bottom there summary, and that will do. So we can once again make this look cool by turning it to red and bold. We can even underline it. So there we go. What we can do also at this stage is to copy this, copy everything that's on this page, and so copy. And what we're going to do is we duplicate this page. You see why we're doing this shortly. We can then duplicate this page, click on it, get rid of everything that's on the page, leaving just the introduction, because that's what we're interested in, introduction. You can bold this, you can do what you like with it. I'm pressed for time because I've only got 15 minutes on this free video, and I'm trying to show you exactly what to do to create a video. So that's the introduction. Let's go for the next one. Click there, paste, your other stuff, get rid of the introduction. We've already done that. And what you need next is your, so we'll cut that, is Y video, and click there, and Y video will appear. The next slide, then you simply put the next bit, get rid of the bottom ones, because what you're looking at now is tools for video creation. Click there, and the next slide we simply put in preparation of slides. So here we go, cut that, click there, enter the next bit, which is creating the video, and finally, oops, sorry, cut and enter summary. And that's it. Now you can dress these things up as you want. For instance, a summary, you can make it bold and red, so make it bold, make it red. That's fine. What you've just created is your outline. All you need to do now is to beef the whole thing up. And to beef it up, you simply start speaking each of your topics. For instance, the introduction. Hi, it's Will D here from screencast-o-matic.com, and in this particular training I'm going to be showing you how to create video using PowerPoint slides in OpenOffice and free video recording software from Screencast-o-matic. At the end of this lesson you should be able to create your own videos, and that would be that for the introduction. You then move on to the next bit. Why video? Well, let's answer the question, why video? Well, a lot of people like to learn by actually seeing what it is you're talking about. So you're trying to teach them something, it would be nice if they can see it. People these days are able to go about with their mobile phones which actually shows video on it. So that makes it easy for them to learn even whilst on the move. So that's brilliant. Why not make video available to them? Not everybody uses text, not everybody wants to read, not everybody wants to print out papers and read them on the train or on the bus to work, that sort of thing. So that's one of the reasons why you would use video. There are some things that video makes a lot clearer. For instance, if you wanted to upload a web page, that sort of thing, it would be nice if someone could see how it's done in video rather than text, which would use so much language to describe that particular process. So that's why we would use video. Tools for the video creation. Well, one of the main tools that we would use would be these two pieces of software: OpenOffice to prepare the slides as you're seeing here, and the Screencast-o-matic, which is a free video software. Now if you've got an external microphone, that's brilliant, because I think it enhances the sound quality of your video recording. But laptops these days come with inbuilt microphones, and you could just use that. The only thing is you have to speak into the microphone all the time. You can't turn your head to the left or to the right. So I would go for getting an external microphone. So those are the tools that you would use. Of course, you need the content. You need to be able to speak your product, so to speak. So that's that for the tools. And preparing the slides is exactly what we're doing now. You need the OpenOffice software. You need to put your outline on each of the slides and begin to speak what's on your slides. Now here I've only used like one-liners. You can do more than that. You don't need just one-liners. You can type, as put in some more text. But don't overlabor the whole thing by filling the whole page with text. That can be distracting. Just say what's on your slide, speak it, and that's the content that you're adding. Now, actually creating the video comes down to downloading screencast-o-matic.com. So if you haven't done that, go to www.screencast, that's one word, screencast-o-matic, that's matic.com. Once you've downloaded that, you're ready to use the software. You will then open your slides, which is what we've got here. Once you open your slides, you would just simply begin to speak what's on the slide, having opened screencast-o-matic. Now, when you open your screencast-o-matic, you're going to have to resize the what appears on your screen. You will need to size it to fit your slide. Once that's done, you're pretty much ready to go. You simply hit the red button, which will be at the bottom of your screen, and that will then start to record, and all you have to do is just speak your content, basically. Once you've done with recording, there's another button at the bottom of your screen again, and that's done. You simply click done. I can't do that now because if I click done, then you're not going to see anything, you're not going to hear anything from me, so I can't do that now. But once you clicked done, then what will happen is you will get a screen like this. I've already pulled that out so that you can see it. This is a screen that you will see once you hit done. And you can see there are options there. Publish to screencast-o-matic, screencast-o-matic. You can publish to YouTube and you can publish to video. What I tend to do is I publish to the video file. That saves a copy of this, my recording, onto my my desktop. So if anything happens, I've got that. Now, after that, I'm then happy to publish to YouTube. When you click the button to publish to YouTube, what will come up will be a form asking you to fill in title, description, tags, category, and whether you want it to go private or public. It's very simple to fill out. You know what your title is, you know how to describe it, you know the tags, you know the category, educational for instance, and you do want to publish it for the public to see. Once that's done, obviously you need to be a member of YouTube. But once that's done, you click on upload to YouTube, and what you get is the system starts to encode your recording. Then it will start to upload your video. It might take some time, but it will do it. Once it's done, you will get an email informing you that your upload has been successful. And you can then you get an email to tell you about this. You can then go to YouTube and have a look at your video, see whether you like it or not, that sort of thing. And once you've done that, take the link and just start promoting it. Promote it to your friends, promote it to your friends on Facebook and Google Plus, wherever you want your video to go. And that essentially is it. You've got your video recording sorted. What I would advise to do at this stage is to have a look at the PDF document that I've enclosed with this recording, and you can follow the instructions on that. Like I said, if I stop this recording, I will not be able to show you how to upload to YouTube and so on and so forth. So I hope the explanation helps, but otherwise grab the text version in PDF and you'll be able to upload your video to YouTube. That really is it. All I'm going to say at this stage is please go over the training again and do the steps that I've mentioned, and once done you can be rest assured that you will have a video product to sell. It's not magic, you just have to do the work. So do the work, you will get the results. If there are any questions at all, please don't hesitate, just send me an email. I'll be more than happy to receive that email and respond to you. So that's it for recording using screencast-o-matic. We're looking at the penguins on the screen, but you should no longer be intimidated by these penguins because you have now created your own video which you can publish to YouTube. And don't be afraid of the penguins. I like penguins, by the way. So that's that. Anyway, I'll see you in the next training. Bye for now.